Yeah, I just wanted to show you an earthquake. Grenoble, Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes, France. 5 kilometers in depth, 3.6 in strength. This is the region where it is. Now let's go over to Google Earth. So we have Grenoble here. And now let's put away all the stuff we don't need. So now, nature is full of patterns, repetitive patterns. And if you look at this mountain range here, this one, you can see this kind of mainstream going here, and then there's one and the second one. And if you go closer and take a look at those, at the first one, and I'm talking particularly about basically this region here. This angle, and if we go further up, it's in a way quite similar with the angle which goes away, and we have also this kind of mountain ridge here. So I would say this is this kind of repetitive pattern in a quite large scale. You won't probably notice if you are down there. Walk around, and there are like really interesting mountain formations to be found there. You can see the layering, especially the last layers which are on top. And also the shape of it. And they are all aligned. Of course, not perfectly, but still. And as we continue to the next one, they are still aligned. Tetrahedrons. Remnants of supersonic winds. And it's a bit hard to see, but you can see the different layers of it when the wind brought the material from there. Let's see if there's somewhere some others. Or probably not. I don't know how interesting it is to see when I'm looking around, but you never know what you're gonna find. That's why it's important to keep the eyes open and the mind too. Yeah, I really would like to see someone doing an experiment in a laboratory, putting some rock somewhere and then freeze ice and let's see and then watch how it's forming the mountains. Or how else, if all this layering would have happened over millions of years and then it just by continental drift got pushed upwards and stayed intact, but most of it is just missing. Doesn't make sense. If you would build a giant machine to squeeze bedrock and you could see how it would react to pressure applied to it, it would crumble into sand, gravel. You won't get any mountain of that. Or at least not a solid. Wouldn't be a solid mountain. Is this a glitch? Might be. It doesn't mean that we wouldn't find these kind of forms in nature, but this one wasn't a natural form. Yeah, but I leave it here. Go at Google Earth and watch for yourself and be amazed of what you will find if you watch with the right eyes. Yeah, thanks. Bye.